If you want to make an extra $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 per month, then I have the perfect ideas for you. In this video, we're going to talk about the online side hustle that you can start. These are beginner friendly and relatively easy to start, and these are also the side hustles that I personally do. And it's all relatively easy and can be done online. You don't have to deal with shipping the physical product or with customer service. Now, without further ado, let's start with the first one, which is affiliate marketing. Now, I've seen a lot of people doing affiliate marketing, but there's not a lot of people who are doing it correctly. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically when you promote someone else's service or product and you get commission every time someone purchased the product or their service from your link. This is also one of the best side hustle because it's semi-passive income. And I said it's semi-passive because you do have to get some work in the beginning. So this would mean that you might have to create a content to promote someone's product. You see this a lot, especially on TikTok and Instagram. Also Pinterest is one of the big ones, or blog posts. But once you got that done, it's pretty much passive, which is perfect, because you don't have to trade your time for money. Every time someone click on your link and purchase something, you'll instantly get a commission. So to get started with affiliate marketing, first you do want to find a profitable niche. So not every single product has the same type of commission. So if you're gonna go through the same amount of work, you want to promote a product that gives you the highest commission. If you go to rankiq.com, here they have the highest earning blog niches. So here you can see that the highest earning is from food, personal finance, lifestyle, and travel. I'm gonna show you travel, for example, because that is something that I actually do. I make a lot of travel content, and for example, you can go to a travel related platform. Here I'm using Kayak. If you go to kayak.com, this is one of the websites that you can apply for an affiliate link. When you scroll down, usually they have an affiliate where you can sign up to get your unique link. So you can just apply for the affiliate program. They do give you 50% of commission every time someone book with your unique link. Let's say that you're trying to promote a hotel. I'm just gonna pick a random date here. And you can see, for example, if someone booked this accommodation in Bangkok for a night, then you'll get around $58 from their purchase. Now, once you have your unique link, you want to get started with the content creation or any other way you have in mind to promote that service. Pinterest is probably one of the best platforms to do that, because if you don't know about Pinterest, it is also a search engine. So maybe you can create something like top 5 hotel to stay in Bangkok. Like this blog post is one of the good example. Basically, you just need to create a graphic. It will direct you to the blog post. And here, if you scroll down, they usually also have affiliates. This is promoting this hotel. And when you click here and you book anything from this website, from booking.com, then you will get a commission from it. You might also seen a lot of people promoting a certain product on TikTok. So TikTok is also one of the best platforms to do affiliate marketing. If you're based in US, you can order something from Amazon, and they have this program called Amazon Affiliate Program, where you can sign up, and basically when someone uses your link to purchase a product on Amazon, then you will get a commission. Now you might be thinking, do you have to purchase a product just to promote it, just so you can start earning commission from it? That's basically like spending money to earn money. Now with some platform like Amazon, you can actually return the product after a certain day. So it's perfect. You can just order something, create content with it, and after that you can just refund the product. So first step is to find a profitable niche, apply for the affiliate program, and then after that you want to create the content, post it on your social media, and start earning commission. The second one is UGC, or user generated content. Now UGC is where you promote someone product or service through social media, and you don't have to be an influencer, because the difference with UGC and influencer is with UGC you don't have to post the content, post a photo or video on your platform, brand usually pays you to create the content that later on they will post on their social media. And the cool thing about UGC is also you don't necessarily need to show your face. The reason why brands love working with UGC content creator is because customers usually find this type of content more reliable. Just imagine yourself scrolling on TikTok or Instagram, for example. When you see those type of high production advertisement, you're most likely not gonna resonate with it and just gonna like scroll down. But if it's like from someone and they're talking about the product or like showcasing how they use the product, what's the benefit of the product, or like just sharing about the product in general, you're most likely gonna stick through. Besides of being more relatable, the budget that brand usually have to pay for those high type of like production with paying for a UGC creator is usually a big difference. UGC creator usually charge between $150 to $500 per video, or if you're someone who have more experience, you can usually charge more. Brand might have to pay around at least $5,000 for those type of high production advertisement. If you compare the budget, there is a big gap over there. Now, how do you get started as a UGC creator? First, you do need to build your portfolio. Basically, brand needs to see what type of content that you can provide, and your portfolio is what will show them all about that. And you can also build your UGC portfolio from Canva. Usually they have a lot of template that you can use. If you go to Canva and you search for UGC portfolio, you can see a lot of template that you pretty much can use. Of course, you do need to like change the photo and the videos. Make sure to use the video that you personally created. And let's say that if I find this one interested, I can just customize the template. Here, of course, you want to change it to your name, your photos. Usually UGC portfolio will include a brief introduction of yourself, and here you do want to include what type of things that you can do. It will be helpful if you can also include some previous collaboration or UGC content that you've done and how brands can connect with you or reach out to you if they want to use your service. And now there is two ways where you can find a client for UGC. The first one is when brand reach out to you. This is what we call inbound. And the other way is outbound. This is where you reach out to the brand by sending them an email or DM for social media, and you can also send them your UGC portfolio. So the best way is of course through inbound. That's when the client will find you and reach out to you. And there's several ways where you can do this. First one is you do want to post more actively on TikTok. If you go to TikTok, you will see a lot of like UGC creator, and also make sure to put it on your profile that you're a UGC creator. That way it will be easier for brand to find you. And on Twitter, there's also some UGC management company. Usually they posted some UGC opportunity that you can apply to. So if you're thinking about starting with UGC, the first thing that you gotta do is to build your portfolio. The second one is you wanna start posting more consistently on Instagram or TikTok, and you can also reach out to clients that you want to work with. Last but not least is to sell a digital product. So you might be thinking, what are digital products? These are the products that people can just purchase online, and you don't have to do the inventory and shipping the products because the customer can just download it and use it virtually. So these can be ebooks, templates, or digital planner. The benefit of selling digital product is you can just create the product once and you can sell it multiple times. So profit margin wise, I think digital product is a lot better compared to physical product. It is also perfect because you can reach like customer globally because most of the digital product can be sold worldwide. One of the best platform to sell digital product is Etsy. So if you go to etsy.com, go here, go to digital product, you'll probably see a lot of like website template. These are one of the most profitable things that you can sell. So here you can find a lot of different type of digital product that you can sell. Some people sell like digital marketing bundle, like an ebook. Planners, digital planners is something that's very popular. Instagram post template, this can be story template, reels, or just like a photo template. Coloring pages, and also some wall art that you can download and then print out. Basically, there's a lot of options out there. I do recommend Etsy for a beginner because there's a lot of people who shop from Etsy. It's a trustworthy website where people shop online, so you don't have to struggle to find your customers. The other platform where you can sell your digital product is Payhip, and this is what I personally use. Here on Payhip, I'm selling my digital creator playbook. This is basically where I explain and share with people on how you can do brand collaborations even if you don't have a lot of followers. So I started like doing brand collab, getting paid to go to restaurant, hotel, some excursion, even with like 1,000 or around 2,000 followers on my social media. So in this guidebook, I do share about the step-by-steps that you can do, basically all the things that I have learned that enable me to have this experience. If you're interested in it, I will leave the link down below. This is also perfect if you want to start utilizing your social media to make money online. One important thing is you do want to do a market research before you're selling a digital product. So to get started with selling your own digital product, first, you want to understand what the market wants. What are the profitable products to sell online? Then you want to create your digital product using Canva. Next one, you want to choose the right platform. This can be Etsy, Payhip, or other platforms. Upload the digital product over there and you can start selling. So yeah, those are the 3 online side hustle that I'm doing and I've been loving so far. Let me know what you guys think. Which one do you want to start doing? And yeah, I hope I provide you with some useful insight. And that's it for this video. I will see you on my next one. Bye!